This video I'll teach you how to add up cells from multiple worksheets. So for example, we have a January worksheet, February worksheet, and so forth. So on the summary tab, what we're going to do is we're going to see how much we spent on food times 12 months here. Now there are a couple ways to do this. One way, if you just started off and you needed to, let's just say January plus February. How you would do that is just simply type the equal sign. Okay. And then you would navigate to the worksheet that you wanted to pull from. So let's say I want to go to this food here. Notice that the formula bar shows equals Jan exclamation mark D5. Okay. So from there, we can hit a plus sign and then go to the next worksheet and just simply point and click the one that you want. And so at this point right here, here's our formula. It's referenced by the worksheet, exclamation mark, cell number. When you hit the return key, we will get that value 543. Okay, so pretty neat stuff. Even if I change the name of the worksheet here, I'm going to right click, rename January. Notice what will happen in our formula. It updates to January. So that is a dynamic range right here based on it. Okay, so that would be kind of tedious to have to go all 12 times through that. If you've arranged your workbook so that all of the rows are the same, in other words, food is in the 5th row for all of these, then we can do a faster formula using the sum function. And the way it works will be to enter the formula, like equals sum, open parentheses, and then we go to the first worksheet, and they have to be in sequence of how you want to have it. We click on the cell, and we go down at the bottom, we hold down Shift. I'm going to click Shift and click December. And essentially what that does here is, this is the formula right here. It says, hey, go out and grab all the D5s from within the January to December worksheets here. Notice there's a colon mark. So that is perfect. We would want to accept that. And we get our answer there to 4166. Okay. Now, a couple things to keep in mind. If you had a miscellaneous worksheet in the middle between January and February, you want to move it out of the way because that would pick up on all the D5s in this arrangement here. Okay. Assuming everything is good, you just copy the formula down. And that is how you can create what's called 3D formulas, where you're referencing a range of worksheets in the cell. Pretty cool stuff. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.